Welcome to St. Thomas English Medium School. Today's video is for Standard 5 and subject is English Literature. This is Unit 8, Nobody's Friend. First of all, I would like to read this paragraph. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't read. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. This is very common and this is very important also to having friend. But according to this poet, in this poem, he is talking about one girl. She has no friends. And why she is alone? That reason is given in this paragraph. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. If you have a friend, but always you will share your things. If you have a toy or sweets or whatever, but she denied to share. She doesn't want to share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend, in the sense she doesn't want to give her book also for a reading or just keeping for a while. She refused that also. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. Then she refused to give her doll to play. See, it's not like that. If somebody share things, then only you have to become friends. No, according to me, this concept is wrong. But after friendship, you can share, and that is a good thing. Sharing is caring. But on the base of sharing, that if that person will give you something, then only that person is your friend, that is totally wrong. Your friendship should be based on a trust and helping nature. Yes, in friendship we share or people share things, and that is very good thing. After friendship, when you become a good friends or friend, then you can share, and that is totally correct. He had some toffee and ate every bite. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. So here also they are talking about a boy that he had some toffee and he ate all the toffees. Okay, he had a tricycle. You know tricycle. In a tricycle there is three tires. Uh, for okay, so that is why that's called tricycle. He wouldn't lend. He doesn't want to give anyone for a ride. He never let anyone play with his train. Train means a toy train. If your friend has that toy train and you want to play, your friend is going to give you because he or she is your friend. Unknown person, if there is an unknown person, he is not going to give you. So that is the fact. Okay. So if your friend, you can share. So on that base, they said he he wouldn't give. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. So when you become friend, when you becomes friend, it is very common to share. But he denied to share things. That is why that writer is wanted to tell, if you wouldn't share, people will go away, because in every kind of relationship there is a give and take, and sharing is a very good thing. You become mature, you become a less, in that your mind, okay, these things belongs to me, so these things are only me. So this concept is good to share. But I will share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. So here They are talking about another girl and she is ready to share her things. She will share her sweets with you. She will share her ball and books and games that you can take and you can play. Here, half my apple and half my cake means she will eat her half apple and cake, and another half part is for you, in the sense for her friends. So you can share and you can enjoy yourself. So in friendship, it is important to share things, it is important to trust each other, and it is very important to know each other's choices. If you know very well your friend likes, a cake, and you know very well and you eat alone, so that is wrong. You should keep things for your friends also. It's not like that you can take an entirely together. If you have a best friend, people are just dividing people, the friends, into categories like friend or best friend. So yeah, you maybe you can just divide or share things in according to that amount. If you're a best friend, maybe you give two chocolates, and if it's like your common friend, you will give one chocolate. That can happen, but in the end, what you do, you share things. So that is important to build or to make your friendship stronger. Thank you.